Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about upgrading your outdoor space, you've probably considered wood decks or stone pavers. But today we're diving deep into a material that's taking the design world by storm: concrete. Now I know what you might be thinking: gray, boring, industrial. Think again. Modern concrete patios are sleek, incredibly versatile, and can be customized to create a truly stunning high-end look for any backyard. From minimalist designs to intricate patterns, concrete offers a durable and stylish foundation for your outdoor oasis. So if you're ready to transform your backyard into a modern masterpiece, stick around. We're about to explore some incredible concrete patio ideas that will completely change how you see this amazing material. Let's start with the basics. The finish. The finish you choose can dramatically alter the entire vibe of your patio. One of the most popular choices for a modern look is a smooth, troweled finish. This creates a super clean, seamless surface that feels almost like an indoor floor extended outside. It's perfect for minimalist and contemporary homes. You get this uniform, sophisticated look that acts as a perfect neutral backdrop for bold furniture and lush greenery. Another fantastic option is a salt finish. During the curing process, rock salt is scattered on the surface and then washed away, leaving small, subtle pits. This creates a beautiful, weathered texture that's not only visually interesting but also provides excellent slip resistance, which is a huge plus for pool decks or rainy climates. It adds a touch of organic character without looking too rustic. Now, let's talk about adding some visual interest with lines and patterns. Just because you're using a single material doesn't mean it has to be one giant, monotonous slab. A fantastic way to add modern flair is by incorporating score lines. These are shallow cuts made into the concrete while it's still curing, creating a grid or geometric pattern. You can create the illusion of large format tiles, which is a very high-end look, without the cost and maintenance of individual pavers. You can go for a classic square grid, or get more creative with rectangular patterns, diamonds, or even asymmetrical designs. The lines break up the visual space and add a layer of architectural detail that elevates the entire patio from simple to sophisticated. But why stop at score lines? You can take it a step further with stamped concrete. This is where you can really get creative. Stamping involves pressing molds into the wet concrete to mimic other materials. For a modern take, forget the faux cobblestone. Instead, think about large-scale slate or travertine patterns. You get the organic texture and look of natural stone, but with the durability and affordability of concrete. There are also wood plank stamps that can give you the linear look of a deck without the warping or splintering. Imagine a wood patio that never needs to be re-stained. The key to keeping it modern is to choose large format patterns with clean lines. It's a brilliant way to add texture and depth. Color is another game changer for modern concrete patios. You are not stuck with standard gray. Integral color is a fantastic option, where pigment is mixed into the concrete itself before it's poured. This ensures the color is consistent all the way through, so if you ever get a chip, it won't reveal a different color underneath. You can choose from a huge range of earthy tones like charcoal, terracotta, or warm beiges. A deep charcoal concrete patio, for example, can look incredibly chic and dramatic. Another method is using concrete stains. Unlike paint that sits on top, acid or water-based stains react chemically with the concrete to create rich, translucent tones. You can achieve beautiful, mottled effects that look like natural stone. You can even combine techniques like staining a scored patio to create a two-tone effect. Let's move on to form and structure. A modern patio is often more than just a flat square. Consider creating different levels. A multi-level concrete patio can define different rooms in your outdoor space. You could have a lower level for dining and an upper level for a lounge area with a fire pit. This adds dimension and makes the space feel much larger and more dynamic. You can also incorporate built-in features made from the same concrete pour. Imagine a sleek built-in bench that seems to rise right out of the patio floor, or built-in planters that create a seamless border for your garden beds. This creates a cohesive, custom-designed look that is the hallmark of modern landscape architecture. The continuity of the material makes everything feel intentional and integrated, and you don't have to use only concrete. One of the most effective modern design strategies is mixing materials. The contrast between the cool, smooth surface of concrete and other textures can be stunning. A very popular combination is concrete with strips of grass or low-growing ground cover planted in between large slabs. This is often called a checkerboard or paver and grass design. It softens the look of the concrete, adds a pop of green, and helps with drainage. Another beautiful pairing is concrete and wood. A concrete patio that leads to a warm wood deck creates a beautiful transition of textures. You can also use decorative gravel or river rocks in channels between concrete slabs to add another layer of texture and a spa-like feel. This material interplay is key to creating a rich, visually engaging outdoor living area. Let's not forget the details that complete the modern look. Lighting is crucial. Instead of a single, harsh floodlight, consider integrating lighting directly into your patio design. LED strip lights can be installed under the edges of built-in benches or steps, creating a soft, ambient glow that makes the features appear to float. You can also install small, recessed-up lights directly into the concrete to highlight nearby trees or architectural features. For a fire feature, move beyond the traditional fire pit. A long, linear fire table made of concrete or steel creates a sleek, modern focal point for gathering. It acts as both a source of warmth and a stunning piece of outdoor sculpture. Finally, let's talk about furniture and decor. The beauty of a modern concrete patio is its neutrality. It allows your furniture and plants to be the stars of the show. For a truly modern aesthetic, opt for furniture with clean lines and simple silhouettes. Think powder-coated aluminum frames, woven resin wicker in neutral colors, or minimalist teak pieces. Add pops of color with your cushions, outdoor rugs, and planters. Large, architectural plants like snake plants, agaves, or ornamental grasses in minimalist pots look fantastic against a concrete backdrop. The key is to keep it uncluttered. A few well-chosen, high-quality pieces will have a much greater impact than a lot of small, busy items. The design should feel intentional, calm, and inviting. So there you have it, a whole host of ideas to create a stunning modern concrete patio. From smooth finishes and geometric score lines to integral color and built-in features, the possibilities are truly endless. Concrete is no longer just a utilitarian choice. It is a sophisticated design element that can completely transform your outdoor space into a chic and functional extension of your home. It's durable, low maintenance, and offers a level of customization that few other materials can match. I hope this has inspired you to think differently about concrete and how it can be used to create the modern backyard of your dreams. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home and garden design inspiration. See you in the next one.